Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 electric pressure cookers. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get start with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Cuisinart CPC 600. 6-quart electric pressure cooker reduces cooking times by 70%. Push-button controls, easy-to-read digital display, precision thermostat. Settings for pressure cooking, browning, simmering, sautéing, and warming. Timer, cool touch handles, non-stick dishwasher safe cooking pot and trivet. Measures 12:1, 5x12:1, 5x13:1, 5 inches, 3-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Cosori Cooker. 8-in-1 multifunctional cooker. Worry-free after-sale service. 16 smart programs. Delay cooking time up to 12 hours. Everything you need. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo. Duo Plus is the latest evolution in the number 1 selling multi-cooker, the Duo series. Duo Plus replaces 9 common kitchen appliances including: a great meal is a press of button away with 15 microprocessor controlled programs. All components in contact with food are food grade 304. All certified with 10 proven safety mechanisms, gives you peace of mind. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Mueller Cooker. German engineered to last. Best pressure cooker with 19 smart programs. 2 dishes simultaneously. Strongest and healthiest. Next generation electronic controls. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Instant Pot Lux 60V3. Instant Pot Lux 6QT multi-cooker, combines 6 kitchen appliances in one. Built with the latest 3rd generation microprocessor technology. Healthy, stainless steel, 18/8, inner cooking pot made from food grade 304. Power supply, 120 volt to 60 Hz. Product dimensions 13.2 by 12.2 by 12.5 inches. Please check the description for details and best price.